Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma. This is our second lecture for class 12th. In our first lecture, we have discussed reproduction in organism. In this second lecture, we will discuss about different modes of asexual reproduction. Before going to discuss different modes of asexual reproduction, let's quickly revise what we have studied in our previous lecture. We have studied in our previous lecture, that is reproduction in organism. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a process by which organism produces young ones of their own kind. What does it mean? It means the new organisms are similar to their parents, not exact copies. They are looking in major features like their parents, but not exact copies. Importance. What are the importance of reproduction? Continuation of life means living organisms have tendency to maintain their race. Preservation of species, replacement of dead individuals. That means every living organism have certain life span. What is life span? Life span is a period of time from birth to natural death. Clear? The period of time from birth to natural death, that is called a life span of living organism. This can be few days like one day mayfly, or 6 months like worker honeybee, around 12 to 20 years dog, 100 years, 50 to 100 years elephant, 80 to 120 years human being, or around 120 to 150 years tortoise, banyan tree which lives more than 2500 years. Clear? Next, that is role in evolution. Now reproduction, as we have discussed, is of two types, asexual and sexual. And what is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction in which organism produced by single parent. There is no meiosis, no gamete formation, no fusion of gametes, no fertilization, rapid multiplication and clone formation. This asexual reproduction generally occurs in unicellular organism like prokaryotes, some protists and some lower organism and plants. Now let's discuss asexual reproduction in detail. Different types of or different modes of asexual reproduction. There are major 5-6 modes of reproduction in case of asexual reproduction, like fission, fragmentation, budding, spore formation, regeneration and vegetative propagation. Clear? Now let us discuss one by one. What is fission? Fission is breakdown of body. This takes place in like amoeba, paramecium, and this fission is of two types. Listen carefully. This fission is of two types. One is binary fission and other one is multiple fission. In case of binary fission, organism divides in two parts. Clear? And in case of multiple fission, the organism divides in many individuals. In binary fission, example amoeba, paramecium. Multiple fission, in this plasmodium. And listen carefully, in case of protozoans, binary fission also divided into three types. First one, unequal binary fission, which is found in amoeba, or example amoeba. Next one, transverse binary fission. Transverse means horizontally divide. Horizontally जो है, horizontally organism divided into two parts. Example, that is paramecium. And vertical division, that is longitudinal binary fission, that is found in euglena. And as I told, multiple fission, example plasmodium. Amoeba is also an example of multiple fission. During unfavorable condition, pseudopodia lost. Amoeba lost their pseudopodia and form three layers of insect around them and form spore-like structure. And when the favorable environmental condition comes, this pseudopodiospore develops into new amoebae. Next one, that is budding. There is bud-like structures which is found in Hydra and yeast. Next one, spore formation. In this, particularly some algae and fungi. In that there is formation of spores. These spores are formed mitotically through a process called sporulation. Clear? Or spore formation. And these spores released by the parent plant, and these spores in favorable environmental condition gives rise a new individual. Example, Rhizopus, Mucor, Penicillium, Aspergillus. Fragmentation. Fragmentation means breakdown of part of body, that is found in some algae like Spirogyra. Regeneration. Regeneration is a process in which organism regenerates into new individuals. Example, the classical example, planaria. If you cut planaria into thousands of pieces, each piece have ability to develop into a new individual. Clear? Regeneration, example, Hydra and planaria. Now vegetative propagation. It is a form of asexual reproduction in which organism reproduces by their parts. This is most common in case of plants. Plants gives rise new plants with from either root, stem or leaves, and the part of plant which develops into a new plant is called as propagule. Clear? Propagule. Example of plants which develops from root: sweet potato, dahlia, guava. By stem, grasses and sugarcane. You may be know, in case of sugarcane, the stem cutting and sowing in the field. You are practicing roses. You cut the stem and insert it into soil. Then this rose develops into a new rose plant. From leaf, bryophyllum. This is about asexual reproduction, or mode of asexual reproduction. We will discuss sexual reproduction in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.